Hi Aquarius, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use Archangel Raphael healing cards besides this love oracle deck as well. Aquarians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Ace of Wands. I think you were craving newness in this time. I think the energy was such that you were getting support from trusted aides. Perhaps Aquarians, you would have been better served if you had taken an advance from the client. Maybe you should have also read the details of the contract before committing yourself. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Four of Swords. You see this person here, he seems to be a bit withdrawn and closed off. Perhaps you need to meditate a bit as well. You need to rethink your moves. Perhaps you should think along different lines, take a different course of action, as this will benefit you. In essence, you have to step back because things may not go according to plan. Nevertheless, I think October is going to be a very hectic month for you. For this month, we have the Six of Swords, Aquarians. I think oftentimes you may be undecided whether you should proceed or whether you should take a back seat. However, I think the energy is such that you need to get up and get going. Maybe you will be forced to be on your toes, or you have to sail with the changes. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be travel plans. I think you're moving from turbulent to calmer waters this month. Perhaps it would be best to capitalize because these opportunities will not come again. Paperwork, technical work, or you may be commuting or traveling great distances this month. Maybe you should also be careful of your relationship with your father this month. First 10 days of October, we have the Eight of Cups. I think in this time you will plan your schedule in such a manner that you will be able to achieve, or you will manage to complete all the routine work. Some of you can also expect past dues or maybe an advance. Nevertheless, I think Aquarians, you should seek clarifications about your transactions. Incidentally, in this time, I think you'll also be busy with bookkeeping or accountancy work. Perhaps your accountant could also seek clarifications about investments made. Maybe you have overlooked certain areas. That's why I think you will have frank discussions with your accountant. Psychologically, I think it may not be your best period. Sometimes, you may be feeling a bit emotional. You see, this person's face is quite hidden, so that is why maybe you want to hide behind closed doors. Maybe you want to be in your own world. However, you're also getting an opportunity to understand why are there blockages in your life. You will definitely get answers. More importantly, for many Aquarians, this month there's going to be closure. Next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Page of Wands. Surely you will get clarity. Like I said, there'll also be closure this month. Maybe Aquarians, you should hold your tongue in certain matters. Sometimes, people may accuse you of being meddlesome. That is why I think you should rectify the mistakes that you have made. Incidentally, this is also the time which is giving you a chance to rectify past mistakes. I think you could be a bit hassled because loved ones or colleagues fail to follow your instructions. Though there's hard work in store for you, I think communication will bring in gains. Besides, I think your creativity will also be in full swing and it will be appreciated. Sometimes, you'll also be reviewing past work. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you are being asked to be more cooperative. Sometimes, you'll be interviewing new candidates. Ideally, I think Aquarians, you will be benefiting if you will be more accommodative rather than be too authoritative. Your leadership will also encounter those tense moments. Maybe there are non-compliant workers, that is why you have to give them a piece of your mind. Maybe you could also rope in the management, or you could involve the management to sit in judgment over this issue. From 21st to 31st October, we have the King of Pentacles. This is a material vibration, so you are being called upon to capitalize. Focus this time could also be on learning. Maybe you want to enhance your skills. Situations may also arise when you have to step in and take the onus, or somebody could back out. Some of your colleagues or family members could find you very crabby and pushy. Though you have their best interests at heart, sometimes you may feel as though it's you who's getting the wrong end of the stick, or that you're not being acknowledged. Those of you who are making your way for an interview, I think you'll come away bagging that job. Maybe you should talk about your past experiences, or you should narrate your sob story, because senior members of the management or the interview panel will give in. Basically, I think somebody who's a senior figure could be kindly disposed towards you this month, especially towards the final days as well. Aquarians, in case you're signing contracts or in case you're purchasing something, I think you should read between the lines. Maybe somebody is also out to take you for a ride, but somebody also has your back, so you're going to be supported this month. You'll also be a bit hassled on account of malfunctioning gadgets. With respect to your love life, I have this card, communication. Possibly communication is the key. You need to communicate, you need to be more open with respect to matters of the heart. Certainly you will have your fair share of suitors this month. Maybe there could be a work-related romance as well for some of you. Somebody is certainly going to pull at your heartstrings. I think there's a high possibility that you could be in an unacknowledged romance this month. Possibly, your eyes could meet with this person and your soul will recognize this person, but then you're not going to make it explicit. Many of you may also want to reach out to the person, express your feelings for this person. That is why we have this card, communication, over here. Maybe you're communicating your feelings. There's also a sense of calm because you have done what you needed to do, even if there's no response from this person. Possibly, this person could also be quite affluent because we have the King of Pentacles in your reader. Or perhaps this person stays far away from you because we have the Six of Swords. Maybe the physical distance is there, which you need to keep in mind. Those of you who are romancing, I think communication will increase. Maybe you're making those travel plans to be with your beloved. However, Aquarians, in case yours is a secret romance, you should be careful because somebody could spill the beans to family elders. That is why I think you have revenge on your mind. I think you could also hear from an ex-flame this month. Maybe this person is going to rekindle his feelings for you. That is why he's communicating with you, but then you don't want his offer. Incidentally, we also have this card, table gathering. Possibly this month there's going to be dates lined up, or you're going to enjoy good food with your romantic partner. In case yours is an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you should express your feelings for each other. Maybe this person is also going to be reciprocating. Married Aquarians, I think financial issues could be uppermost on your mind this month. Maybe your spouse is somebody who is deliberating upon starting another venture, and that is why you could be worried about the interim period. You don't know what will happen if he does so. I think Aquarians, you need to support each other. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think your relationship with your in-laws may also go from bad to worse. Infidelity could also be a factor here. Maybe your spouse is somebody who is going to overrule your decisions, or you could do the same. The last card in your reading, Aquarius, is Sunlight from Archangel Raphael, healing cards. I think Archangel Raphael is asking you to enjoy the benefits of sunlight. You need to go outdoors. Vitamin D is very important for your health, for your bones. Perhaps you're also being asked to develop a sunny disposition. For some of you, it's also possible that you need to avoid overexposure to the sun to avoid sun damage. Largely, I think your health is affected by the weather this month. Another thing, Aquarians, is highly likely that you're going to be looking for missing papers this month. I don't know, this thought just came up in my mind and I'm being asked to relay the same to you. I hope, Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.